hail up to 1 inch or so, golf ball size in diameter.
The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Kit Carson County, southwestern Sherman County in northwestern Kansas until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Canarado, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Canarado around 7:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Wilton around 7:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Kansas between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 70 in Colorado between mile markers 445 and 450. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Sherman, Kansas, and Kit Carson, Colorado.